Hi everyone, I'm Eric Tang. I'd like to share with you today my submission for Nucamp's Full Stack Bootcamp graduation with honors. I was looking for a practical idea to practice making a mobile app with and came up with an application to hopefully keep my kid more mindful of his chores and to incentivize him to have better behavior. The project was created in order to practice making a full stack mobile app with React Native with Redux as the front end and Node, Express, and MongoDB for the back end. Some of the libraries used for the front end were Redux, Redux Persist, React Native Elements, and React Navigation. Some of the libraries used on the back end were Express, Mongoose, and Socket.io. Throughout the developing this app, there are many challenges and things to learn, but I think some of the biggest challenges were figuring out how to incorporate WebSockets, Redux, and RESTful APIs into the app and have them all working together to collect the data from the backend and manage the state on the front end for multiple devices at the same time. Also, figuring out how to design my Mongo schema to work with both the front and back ends to make more specific data fetching calls. Both of these challenges took a lot of experimentation, reading documentation, reading Stack Overflow, and reading development websites, and to get fully working and to get through it. Some of the main features of the app includes storing the login token in persistent memory, so that when the app was restarted, it would still have the login. Routing to screens based on the user role. Live updating to every connected device using WebSockets. And customizable lists for chores, behaviors, and rewards. It has a parent approval queue and a child credit earning and spending system. With that, I'll show you a quick demo. So here I have two screens. One has the token saved in the memory for the dad, and here we can sign in as the kid. So go there and sign in as the kid. And for the dad, we can sign in as the dad. So a kid can go ahead and check off the chores that he's completed. These will go down one by one, and they'll drop to the bottom. You see that when I check them on the child's view, it shows up on the parent's view. They can then go ahead and go in their behaviors screen and select behaviors that they completed throughout the day. Reading to little brother. And these all jump into the pending queue, which will update on both devices. Here they can see what is pending. When things are approved, it will move up to his balance. So I can see these here in the parent screen, and only the parent screen has the approval buttons. So I can go ahead and approve these. You can see the balances changing. Then with the balance, they can go ahead and select rewards. If the reward is costs more than they have in their balance, it'll throw an error. And so then this again will go into a waiting queue. The parents screen will only have the approval buttons. So when the parent fulfills the request, you can click here to mark it as fulfilled, and you can see it come off the balance above. The child screen is limited to these areas, whereas the parent screen has the approval buttons, also the list editor where we can add items, and the settings. Thank you for taking the time to view my demo. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.